Today's going to be one of those days that is a classic brought up a notch. So, thank God for Mr. Noodles when I was in university. Late night eating after all those major study groups. In USA, it would be called Ramen noodles. To our friends to the south, get a ramen noodle brick with the soup stock. I suggest 2 cups, well, asks for 2 cups. I suggest that you put in the soup stock in first. I know they ask on the instruction to do it last, but I just think it brings it a little bit more flavorful when you are making Mr. Noodles or ramen. That will take 3 minutes. And we're getting boosted up, so we're not in university anymore. In university we would have had crock pots. I don't think those exist anymore. Possibly maybe on Amazon. So it's like a hot pot that you can use in a dorm. So we need a protein fix. So what we had to do was come up with a little scheme, and we use eggs. We're going to lower this 3 minutes. Halfway, we're going to put in the eggs. The eggs is the protein part of this meal. I consider it comfort food now. When it's a cold day after a long day of work, it's also a favorite among family. This can really put a smile on someone's face really quick. Who doesn't like instant noodles? Who doesn't? So we're at the halfway point. So 2 eggs. I like to break it into a little bowl. There's the first one. You can put it anywhere. We'll just put it right in the middle. And here's the second one. And I'll put it right in the middle, and it hopefully moves to the other side, which it does. So we're going to wait until the full 3 minutes is over. We're going to shut off the stove. And how we're going to kick it up a notch is green onions, Italian parsley, and chives. I can start getting the chives ready while we're waiting. I don't have my knife handy with me right now, so I'll just use the scissors that I use to open up the Mr. Noodles. I'm mixing it with the green onions. It doesn't matter. This is going to go on at the last minute. Again, one of those little simple things where you can bring it up a notch. Some people like to put Frank's Red Hot in it. Whatever makes you happy. I had chives, I had green onions, and I had Italian parsley. So we have roughly 10 seconds left to go. And what we're going to do is, as soon as it beeps, I'm going to shut off the stove, put a lid on top, set it for another minute, and it's ready to be served. So I'll pause for now, and I'll see you back in a minute. So the minute's almost over. Protein pack, quick meal. Comfort food at its finest. There we go. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to pour it gently in this bowl so you can see it. The pot is fine. If you want your eggs more runny, here's the first one, and here's the second one. You can always not put the lid on and serve it right away. I like it like this. I'll throw the green onions on top and the chives. The Italian parsley. You might think it's a lot. It asks for 2 cups of water. I kind of cheat. I put 2 1/4 in because I'm going to add these lovely, and I open this up and you can see one of the eggs. It's still, I call it a poached egg the way I like it. And there we go. Look at this. Super simple. You don't need the chives, you don't need the green onions, you don't need the parsley, but it's just that one little extra touch. Ramen noodles with poached eggs, or Mr. Noodles, wherever you are living. Try this out. It'll bring back good memories. Beyond Cool, signing out. Please hit that subscribe button to see cool recipes and hacks down the road. And of course, hit that like button and see what happens there. Signing out. Enjoy.